if you want to reduce battery aging on iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max, then here's what you can do in order to do that. So we're gonna just go to settings and open battery settings. Now in here, if you scroll down, you should be able to find the charging option. And over here, we're gonna talk about two main things: the charge limit and the optimized battery charging. The optimized battery charging is available if you have the charge limit set to 100%. With this option, your iPhone can learn when you are charging your phone and when you unplug the charger. So theoretically, in the future, after some time of using this feature, once you start charging your phone can be charged to 80%, and then your iPhone can wait to start charging back to 100% until the iPhone recognizes the time when you are about to unplug the charger. So, of course, this might need some time to figure it out when you are charging, and this is especially useful when you have like a charging pattern, when you always charge at a specific time. And of course, you unplug your charger as well at a specific time. So then the iPhone can pick it up, and then you don't have to overcharge your iPhone all the time. It can charge to 80%, waits just a while, and when the iPhone knows that you will, for example, in an hour, you will unplug the charger, then it can start charging again from 80 to 100%. But ideally, you can actually use the charge limit, and in a perfect world, you want to use 80%. This is the sweet spot for batteries nowadays. Which is just straight up just a charge limit. You won't be able to charge more than 80%. And this is especially useful if you don't have a pattern, like a charging pattern, and you tend to leave the iPhone being charged for way more than it should be. So this is why the charge limit is important in that case. Now, speaking of charging, the perfect range for the battery is between 20 and 80%, which means that when the battery drops to 20%, it is the perfect time to start charging, and when you have 80%, it is the perfect time to stop charging. That's why we have this limit. And that's pretty much it. That's all you pretty much have to know about reducing the process of battery aging. If you keep the percentage in this range, 20 to 80, then you will definitely optimize the battery charging and keep the battery in a healthy state as long as possible. Of course, in addition to these options, we also have several different things that we can, for example, disable or turn off in order to reduce the battery draining. So for example, always on display can be the reason why your battery might be draining a little bit, so this can be also quite helpful for reducing battery aging. And some other stuff like using videos for wallpaper, or maybe using certain features that increase the battery consumption, like the 120 Hz. And some features, of course, can be quite useful for saving the battery, like automatic screen brightness, for example, and so on and so forth. Or maybe even the dark mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.